Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm back again with another fully funded scholarship update. This is another program under the Erasmus Mundus opportunity. EDUMIG is currently open. EDUMIG is an European Masters in Education, Migration, and Diversity. Got opened when I discussed it last year. It was new, so they had their first set of students in 2025. So if you are applying in 2025 stroke 2026. So if you resume your studies in 2026, you'll be the second set of students. So it's very open now. And like I've done for other currently open opportunities, let's check the deadline, the requirements, and the focus of EduMic. Let's check shortly. So if you have selected this program as one of the opportunities you are eligible for, make sure you read all the information on the website. So very important. So let's check what we have here. These are the partnering universities. Read all the information. So your first term will be in Germany, second term will be in Sweden, and your third term will be in any of those universities. Your fourth can be in any of this, either in Italy, Sweden, or Germany. Make sure you're selecting a mobility track when you are submitting, before you submit your application. I've talked about that. If you don't know what mobility track means, I've talked about it in the playlist I'll be attaching to this video. So in the playlist, I've talked about everything you want to know about your application at Erasmus Mundus. So these are the career opportunities. You can go in, you can become an educator in various institutions. You can become an advisor, even a manager, creative staff in cultural institutions, a policy maker in the intersection of education, migration, and diversity. You can become a researcher. You can go for your PhD after a joint master's degree in EDUMIG. So, guys, understanding that will help you write a good motivation letter. Do not go out of what they want to train their student to become. Let's see the timeline. Let us check the deadline. Let's check the deadline. So, if you want the scholar, I know majority of my subscribers, I mean, need the scholarship. So, the deadline is 15th February. So, I'm making this video on 31st December. So, the last day in 2025. So I'm making this video and few others and I'm posting them right away. Also, let's check more information. Read all the information, please. The curriculum and all. Read all. Curriculum and all. Read everything. So in Germany, you'll be completing a module that focus on migration and culturality, and also you'll be doing another one in multilingualism. So another one, there'll be an orientation week in Germany. So look into all these courses and see any of them, you have interest in, any of them you've maybe completed a course a, a course or several courses during your bachelor's that are aligned. That will really help you write a good personal statement. So let's see what the requirements are. Entry requirements. Okay, your first degree should have completed your first degree in social sciences, history, cultural studies, educational studies, applied linguistics, and also a bachelor in teacher education is also possible. So guys, that's good. This is for people in non-STEM. Yeah, non-STEM. So if you've won the Erasmus Mundus scholarship in the past, you are not eligible. For me, I'm not eligible to apply for it. And that is exactly how Erasmus Mundus is. You cannot win twice. So the requirement include the CV. I recommend the Europass CV. The motivation letter, maximum 2 pages. Make sure you are following instructions strictly. Also, 3 to 4 years bachelor's or master's degree. And then your high school certificate for Nigerians, your WAEC is okay for this. You also need to prove your nationality. You can do that with your passport, international passport. Also, to prove your English language proficiency, they will be accepting any of this. So also, let me check if the proficiency letter is acceptable in English. Okay, a proficiency letter is acceptable for Nigerians, for instance, who have studied in English. So your certificate of employment, internship, voluntary work, please put it in. And two letters of recommendation. It could be either academic or professional. So guys, you do well. Start early. You still have a month and a half. That means you have the whole of January and 2 weeks in February to submit your application. You can start now by clicking this. Make sure you are using your own email address. Use the right kind of email address. And guys, I wish you well with your application. Let's see if we have any other information that can really help applicants. So students will gain excellent and diverse insight outside the large, metropolitan area. Okay, let's see if we have further information. Make sure you read all the information on the website. It really help you. So let's check the information. Okay, download all this. Download both the student agreement and module handbook. Read thoroughly, and I wish you the best. There is scholarship. That is what I'm telling you. You know it's currently open. You know the deadline. You know the requirement. You know the degree you must have completed that are eligible. So throughout your studies for the 2 years, you'll be receiving a 4,000 euro per month for 24 months. So health insurance is covered, no tuition fee. I've talked about all this in the 15 fact of our Mundus. You'll find everything you need to know in that playlist I'll be attaching to this video. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also share with people who are eligible to really help them. This is a life-changing opportunity, trust me. And thank you guys who have supported this channel so far. For people who are still watching my video and have not subscribed, tell me why you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'll see you in the next video and I'll see you next year. I look forward to celebrating in 2026. In few months, by March, April, you begin to see me come out to celebrate love subscribers, love mentees on this channel. I look forward to celebrating you as one of the 2026 scholarship awardees. I'll see you then. Bye. Bye, guys.